What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to go ahead and install the body kit. Well, what we have of the body kit. If you guys haven't seen the last video, go ahead and check that out. I do not have the front bumper, unfortunately. They sent me the wrong one. They sent me the Koki model when I have the Zenki model, but I'm trying to work that out, see if I can get one that's already here in the States. If not, I'm going to have to order one from Japan and wait again. But we'll make do with what we have. This is the Koki front bumper. I got to send that out tomorrow morning. It's already been bought. Here is the Koki double splitter wing, the side skirts, and the rear bumper. I've been busy all day, so I don't have much time. I'm really trying to speed through this. It'll be my first time putting on a body kit. But Slammed Enough is coming here to Vegas. There's this car meet, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be big. Slammed Enough, really big brand. So it starts at 6 o'clock. It is already 5 o'clock, so I need to hurry up. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous. I don't want to screw up drilling the holes for the wings. So I don't know. I'm just going to try to speed through this process here, and I guess I'll just update you guys as I go along. And on top of that, the Zenki needs a wash bad, super bad. And I got to vacuum the inside, so I'm planning on being late, unfortunately. But we're just rolling with the punches here. Let's go ahead, and I'm going to show you guys what the Koki wing looks like, because I have not unwrapped it from that bubble wrap yet. All right, everyone, here it is. This is the Koki double, what was it? Koki double decker wing. That's what it was. This is the Koki double decker wing, and I can't wait to put this on because I love the Koki wing and how it looks on the any 240, but I want it to be a little bit different, so I went ahead and bought the double decker from Car Modify. The only thing, it already has the hardware. The only thing I'm worried about is that the mounting points from this Koki wing to the Zenki wing over there are going to be different. So I'm hoping not, but I'm pretty sure they are. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of speed through this, and I'll show you guys what I got or what I run into. I got it off. Unfortunately, if you look down here, there's a wire there to the third brake light, and I had to cut it in order to get the whole wing out, because if not, it kept getting stuck in that rubber gasket right there, and the screws on the end of the spoiler were kind of digging into the paint there, so I had to cut it, but I cut it long enough so that way if I ever wanted to throw this back on, all I had to do was wire it back up. And now that I'm taking this off, I'm gonna miss it, honestly, because the third brake light, if you look, let's see. If you look, let's see if it focuses, but if you look, it's from Japan, so it's JDM, and I'm gonna miss this thing, honestly. So I don't know if I want to let it go, but I'm gonna hold on to it because I like the third brake light. But now that I got it out, let's go ahead and see what the Koki wing looks like. This is kind of where it's gonna be. It looks like it's gonna be sitting because one of the holes lines up, but the other one doesn't. So we're gonna have to drill into here. We gotta drill into it. This is I think a project I didn't want to take on by myself because I'm getting kind of nervous. We do what we can, though. We'll do what we can. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this out, and I'll update you guys when I'm done. All right, everyone, look at the time of night it is, and I'm still here. So let me just fill you guys in on what happened. So there's a couple things. I'm a fool to think I would have finished this in time for the car meet, and I am a fool. I have little to no wrenching experience, so I really thought I could finish this and go to the car meet, which really sucks because Slammed Enough was going, so whatever, that's besides the point. I went ahead and I took off the SE wing, which I'm still sad about, but what I noticed was there was this big raised block right here of this super strong adhesive, and I could not get it off, so I'm scraping at it with my nails, and it's just a huge hassle. So I ended up having to go to Walmart and get some Goo Gone, and as you can see, it's still not all the way off, and even on this side it has a little bit more. So I kind of just let that sit, and I was like, you know what, I'll get back to the wing. So while I put the wing on pause, I went ahead and took off the rear bumper, and it's just you think you got everything, and then there's another one. You think you got everything, and then there's another one. So this took me a while to get off because, I don't know, it was just driving me nuts. But I got the other rear bumper right there, and then tomorrow I'll go ahead, throw that rear bumper on, get everything mounted, get the wing mounted, and then the side skirts tomorrow, and it should just be the easiest part after I get the wing and rear bumper on. I'm a little upset I didn't get to make it to the meet today. I really wanted to show off the Zenki at a big meet like today, but there'll be future events. So not to worry, but I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm tired, I wanna eat, I'm hungry. So I will resume this tomorrow and I will see you guys then. Jesus, look at my hair. Anyway, we're back. Doesn't matter, because we're gonna get this working. So this is where we left off. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get the Car Modify rear bumper cover on. Shouldn't be too bad. I know it mounts up right here. There's like a lip right here. Should mount up too. So I might have to go out and get a couple screws, I think. Gotta take care of that. Still got this sticky stuff on here, so try to get the rest of that off and on that side. Clean up this area as much as possible. Go ahead, mount the wing, and then hopefully the easiest part should be the side skirts. Alright guys, just a quick update before I move on to the side skirts. I know it's late, I haven't been working that long, it's just I've been real busy going back and forth, but honestly it hasn't been as bad as I thought it was going to be. But I've got the rear bumper on. This is what it looks like right now. I'll kind of walk you through it. I had to jack the car up, take the wheels off so we can go ahead and screw in part of the bumper to the quarter panel. Coming around the back here, I still got to go ahead and mount the license plate light back up. And there's this gap here, I guess you can't really see it at nighttime through the camera. I'll show you guys again in the morning when I take shots of it. There's just a little bit of a gap here, more than there was when the OEM bumper was back on, but that's okay. You know, I did everything I could to get that as flush as possible, but it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, so that's just the update for right now. I'll go ahead, I'll finish this up. I'll go ahead, do the side skirts, show you guys what that looks like. So I'll get right back to it. Now it's time for probably the second most painful part of this process, taking off the Silvia badge. I heard you can buy these like brand new, so I might go ahead and just buy some brand new ones, but if I can't find them, I definitely want to preserve them because the side skirt has to go over it. So either I'll just relay them down on the side skirt when I get this painted or wrapped, or just move it up on the quarter panel. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think I should put it on the side skirt when I'm finished, or just move it up on here? The damage is done. Silvia Q's no longer on the car. But like I said, I do want to get it back on. Probably one of my favorite parts about the car. Just something small, but it just fits. All right. We're actually gonna put this on pause one more time and finish it tomorrow morning. I promise this time in the morning it'll be done. Just let me explain myself. So this is what we got going on, right? We've got adhesive and marks here, more adhesive and more marks there, more adhesive and more marks here, and also it's gonna be on the other side. So what I wanna do is, I wanna get a 3M adhesive remover wheel and just go ahead and knock out all of that adhesive. So I didn't have time to buy it tonight, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it tomorrow morning, knock all that out, finally get the side skirts on and the wing, and tomorrow morning it'll be done, I promise. It should take a little bit more time, it's fine. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Good morning everyone, we're back. As you can see, the eraser wheel did a great job. I mean, there's some left over, like, I don't know, paint lift or something. Like, there's obviously still some marks on this, but like, it did a really good job taking out the Silvia logo and the Q's badge residue. And it did better than anything I could do with this. Like, I was just here using my nails and a bunch of Goo Gone, but it worked out pretty well. I'll go ahead, run over it with Goo Gone one more time just to try to get everything as much as I can out. Then we'll go ahead, jack the car back up, take the wheels off, mount the side skirts, do my best to mount this wing, and we should be good to go. Hopefully we don't run into any more problems. My only concern is all this. As you can see, it's pretty marked up. You know, it's near 30 years old. And I did find like just the slightest bit of rust right here where the wing was. But without further ado, let's jump right back into it. And without further ado, I am proud to present my S14 that I finally finished. It is not perfect in any way. I'm sure a professional could have done 1,000 times better, and there's a lot of little things that I definitely messed up. Like, I definitely messed up, don't even get me wrong, but I'm proud because I did it. I'm happy because I did it, and that's pretty much what I want this whole build to be about, is something that I did. And I can proudly say, like, yes, like, although there's flaws, I did this. So without further ado, go ahead and cue the cinematics. All right, so a little bit weird. I was actually supposed to show you guys that I went to go do a photo shoot with the Zenki, with Mad Style Media, my boy. He does great photography. Go ahead, check him out. Here's his Instagram right here. So he went ahead and got some shots of the Silvia, and I'm just now returning home. It was a fun night. The shoot came out really good. I can't wait to show you guys those photos. If you guys want to see those photos, you guys can go ahead and follow me here, or there's a link down in the description below. With that being said, I hope you guys really like what came in for the kit, you know, of what's here. Although I am missing my front bumper, I do like it a lot. I think it changes the look of the Zenki completely, makes it a lot more aggressive, and I'm super happy with the way it all mounted up and came out. With all that being said, I am gonna go home. I'm ending this video. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like down below. It really helps me out to spread this video to more people that enjoy car content, JDM content. And if you guys have been here and you guys like my stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, all this really helps me out and I greatly appreciate it. But without further ado, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.